How to Michael Jackson peek in CS2 using the Michael Jackson bind. To start using the Michael Jackson peek binding in CS2, begin by launching your Steam application. Locate the CS2 game within your Steam library and choose Manage. Proceed by selecting Browse Local Files. Inside the CS2 directory, seek out the game folder and subsequently the CSGO folder. From there, access the config folder, where your next task is to identify the autoexec.cfg file. If you don't find this autoexec.cfg file, you can generate a text document and name it autoexec.cfg. Following this, open the autoexec.cfg file with a text editor and paste the Michael Jackson peek bind, which you will find the bind in the description. After you've inserted the Michael Jackson peek binding commands into the autoexec.cfg, be sure to save your changes and then close the file. The following step involves navigating to Steam, right-clicking on CS2, selecting Properties, and scrolling down to Launch Options. Confirm that you've incorporated the command plus exec autoexec.cfg, and you can also copy and paste it from the description. Once you've added this launch option setting, you're all set to initiate the game. This Michael Jackson peek binding can be used in both online and offline game modes. For the purpose of this example, I'll open a practice game. I will also enable the third-person view so it will be easy for you to see the Michael Jackson peek in CS2. Now, for example, when you're approaching a corner, you can simply move like always using the A and D keys. However, the key Alt comes into play here. When you hold Alt, you'll initiate the Michael Jackson peeking action in CS2. It appears that the Alt key yields the best results when you tap it each time you change directions or wish to peek around a corner. That concludes the video about how to Michael Jackson peek in CS2 and how to use the CS2 Michael Jackson bind. Peace out.